Itong dalawang team na ito. As we have the first serve and we are underway with the first game of 3 here today. Regalo pounds the mound quickly. And in the meantime, the serve from way back there.
Good set.
Loud lang isip with their first strike. No dividends yet. Gel is there. Here's Santos denied, and I'm sure she's going to be marked here today. Belen keeps it in play. Belen pipe attack. We are in our first long rally of the afternoon, and we are still rallying here.
Oh, wow. Great digs.
Kumain kaya muna ako. Palagay mo. Tagal pa ito.
Break muna tayo, Sir Sol.
Tara. Uh-oh. Nahuli. Mukhang hindi tinamaan ng maayos, pero in the meantime, we are tied together at 2. Belen close to the net. It goes. This hit. Lalong Isip takes care of it. And blast. Looks like it's in. It'll count.
Delivered 21 points right away. So let's see how will she show up today.
Doria Aquino with the serve. We have a joust at the net. Krivichavska is not exactly that tall compared to the other imports, but she is just going to be 25 years
Very
old.
young.
Oh, cannonball! Here in the first set, we are at 6-4. Oh, she can jump. Oh, that's an ace. Yep. The serve of Cruz. Leila's serve goes diagonal. The setup job. Lalong Isip floating in the air. Pipe attack. Santos is repelled. Here's the shot. We recycle the offense. Belen denied. No entry for Capital One.
And power in both sports. Now she believes it's really an edge because she feels strong on the court as she jumps and changes direction, just like that service ace earlier. So let's see what force she can bring in today's match. Back to you guys.
Thank you. 8-6. Alam mo, pag nasa abroad ka, lahat, di ba, pag Thailand, di sumakay ng tok-tok, di ba? Tamantala, balik sa volleyball. Hello! Malakas nga papalo.
That really shows how strong she is.
We're gonna go with the serve of Gel Cayuna. Of course, it came out of the FEU program. That's a hot one. Nearly an ace, but kept in play. Belen reached for it. Here's Katindig. Overpass. Wow! Yes, sobra yung pasa ni Don.
A missed opportunity, clearly.
Ano kaya yung mga kasama natin sa opening kanina? Yun na lang isuot nila every game day. Yun na lang isuot. Ang hirap ng pinaggagawa nila. Ha? Wow, look at Don. The tap. Hello, she read it so well.
Yep. Big hole on the court of the Solar Spikers. 4th point already for the reinforced player of the Solar Spikers.
Setter from the Bay Area. Iris Tolenada.
Oh.
Biggest
Yep.
We got Sam Corrales with us here, completing our first game team. Huli siya. Nabasa na. Sino nakahuli?
Leila Cruz and Rafia Abu.
From way back there, Erica Santos out of the De La Salle program, and this one is right into the heart of Signal. We have Abu serving from way back there. She loves the end zone, and she dumps it over there. Trebishavska knocking that down for point number 6. She seems to be in a happy place with Signal.
I agree.
Linis ng palo, but Doramal got to it. Santos sets it up. There's Cayuna's first try at the on-2. That punt is through, and Belen knocks it in. Iris adjusting. Sasha dumping it into the open space. It's covered. No chance.
Yep.
Good stretch that time by Cruz. She stands up to heave it over. We are still in play. Second longest rally. Sasha caught with her hand in the cookie jar. Bella knocking it in. Here comes Bella serve. Bullet. Lalong isip. Her version of a bullet. And we arrive at the second technical timeout with signal still ahead. 16-15. Ayan. Alam mo, players weave into a tournament. Minsan may umiinit, pero mainit kagad. Diyos ko, ang joust sa net. Palakasan talaga no? Cargado and Sasha hitting that far away. We're tied at 16. No doubt. Chel Austero is all set to serve. So we check out, kneeling down, and that will work. Good receive by Belen. Sasha punches it over. Cayuna lies down on the floor. Cut shot that time by Trevichavska. Sasha, back row lalong isip. Trevichavska fires and scores.
Trevichavska has been going down the line, so
Sasha, her burn.
Yep.
Excellent shot, and Cayuna unable to handle the heat. Tolenada and her serve, received by Lalong Isip. The set down the middle. Recycled offense. They will go this way. It is hit outside.
Again, the net defense of Capital One.
193 centimeters. 6'3" or more. Santos. Oh, it was touched by Sasha.
Yep, Signal still on the lead.
Lakas pumalo. And Roma managing to contain. Oh, well done.
Wow.
Well done by Leila Cruz.
Exclamation point coming from Leila Cruz.
This game is very simple to understand if you think about it, but it has complex angles, and that repelled Cruz. And 1 point lead by Signal, trying to close this out. Toroma overpass. However, not capitalized upon. Benny Gender, by the way, is in the game for the first time. And that is knocked away. We are tied at 23.
Sasha up in the front. Service defense specialist.
Which is the hardest job in volleyball, really.
Exactly.
But the men's dividends is Gender is also ice cold. Pero pag natabla nila to, masaya. Ay.
Wow.
Muntik na yun, ha? Hindi lang nakita yung regalo. Pinalo ni Sasha. Huli! Inabot ni Belen. Free ball coming up. Chance to attack. Here comes the setup.
Ooh.
Oh! Look at that. Denied! And the percent ending this big run, a 3-0 run. Point brought to you by Myra. The Vitabrighter with Myra's Vitamin Power.